So my name is Rosa Collado. I am a real estate agent here for Keller Williams. First of all, I want to say thank you for all you guys that made it and making an investment in yourself for coming here on such a cold day on a Saturday morning. And today I really want us to focus on how can you get homes that are either auction homes, how can you actually go to the auctions, what you can do to negotiate with the auction, also REOs. So right now today I have about 32 homes that are REO, which means that are bank owned. So I'm going to share that with you guys. And also I'm going to talk to you a little bit about foreclosure, pre-foreclosure. How can you get a short sale? How can you go there? I do have another list for you guys, which we'll talk about separately. And I'm going to give you that list, which is going to tell you a homeowner that is behind on their mortgage, what you tell them, where the address is, what their phone number. So if you want to target specifically those people, we're going to go over that as well. So people on Facebook, I just want to, just for respect to the people that are here, I cannot go over everything with you guys. If you guys are here near in Jackson Heights, you guys can come in. My office is about 5 minutes away from LaGuardia Airport, so you still can make it. We'll be here till about 1 o'clock. Just for respect for everyone, I cannot share everything, but I am doing a seminar every single month. So if you guys are interested to come, please come by. All right. All right. Well, thank you guys for coming. So I'm really excited to share with you guys because, you know, for example, I bought my house 2 years ago and I bought it at a regular sale because I was waiting for 5 years to get like a short sale. So I'm excited. I do this for a living. I'm in the business for a living. And I'm thinking that eventually I'm going to get like a short sale or an REO, and I was not able to do that. So what I did was I bought a 2-family home in Ozone Park for $645. That was 2 years ago. That same house right now is worth close to $800. I just sold a home about a block away from my house for $580. Another one, we got a full offer, and you know, Chantel works with me, for $645. The same amount that I bought a 2-family, bought it for a 1-family. The reason why I'm sharing this with you guys is I don't want you guys to think, oh, I have to wait for that great deal to come, because look at all the equity that I have now. That same equity that I got out of that house, now I'm able to take money out and actually buy a home. So I have that $200,000 that I can utilize to buy another property if I want. Now with, like I was telling you, I have bank-owned property, so I want to tell you a little bit of what bank-owned property really means. So let's say that a homeowner is behind on their mortgage, right? And now now the bank is giving them about a year is normally how long it takes. It could be a year to 2 years, that whole process, just for that person to lose their home, right? And if they do not negotiate with the bank and they don't do a short sale, then what happens then? Then they go into auction. So that's what you can do. In New York, in Queens, every Friday they have an auction. In Brooklyn, they have an auction every Thursday. So you can go there. And we're going to talk about the auction and the whole process there. And if the bank, what the bank does is the bank will go there to auction as well, and they also will start bidding. So you have the bank, you have people that are not experienced, and you have realtors that are out there bidding. So if the bank doesn't get what they're looking for in the auction, then they do an REO, which is bank-owned properties, which is what I have here. All right, and so that's really the 3 things. Now I want to bring you guys Victor. So Victor, he is a mortgage broker. He's the one that's going to be able to give you the loan, a 2 or 3K loan. So he's going to go over that, and then I'm going to ask him questions back and forth. So if you guys have any questions too, you actually can also, you know, ask him, kind of like a little bit of a freestyle. All right, Victor, if you can come.